Generating Django documentation using ChatGPT is so easy. It's boring. Wonder what could possibly spice it up a bit. We start off by asking ChatGPT to write a docstring for the following code. The model magnet in the style of a Marvel comic.
In the world of Django, where data is king and models reign supreme, a new hero has emerged, Lead Magnet. With his power of email and name, Lead Magnet is the defender of unique information, keeping all records secure with his email and name fields. And with his trusty sidekick, the Boolean field active, he stands guard, keeping the records of all who choose to join him in his quest for organization and efficiency. Together, they track the enrollment and collection dates of all who heed their call. Linked to his allies, the text field, and Lex Spires, Lead Magnet ensures that all who choose to join him will never be lost in the vastness of data. In the face of chaos and disorder, Lead Magnet stands tall, a beacon of hope for all who seek to keep their information safe and organized. For he is Lead Magnet, the hero the data world deserves.
So how about this one? Write a docstring for this code, a model serializer, in the style of a Mission Impossible trailer.
A top-secret mission, a serialized solution. Magnet Serializer is on a mission to secure the data of the elite Lead Magnet model. With its unparalleled coding skills, the serializer will penetrate the depths of the database, retrieve the target data, and encode it for transmission to its final destination. But beware, the stakes are high, and the risks are greater. One mistake, and the entire mission will fail. The fate of the model rests in the hands of Magnet Serializer. In this high-stakes game of data security, will the mission succeed?
Now if you like this video, do like and subscribe. They do take me some time to put together. Thank you. So what if we ask to write a docstring for this view code in the style of a rom-com?
When love and leads collide, join us for a comedic adventure as we create and process Lead Magnet form. Watch as we navigate through the trials and tribulations of capturing a potential lead's information and sending them together down the path of becoming a happy customer. But will the form data be valid? Will the email be sent? Find out in our romantic comedy, Magnific Love.
Jokes aside, just ask ChatGPT to do your Django docstrings for you, without the styling, of course. Review the results. It will mostly be accurate. More on using ChatGPT for Django generation of code and unit tests in the playlists in the suggested. See you in there.